Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashmika, the channel where we make clay jewelries, clay, everything related to the jewelry tutorials. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make this small, simple, cute teddy bear earrings that made from the Adroit clay. Without further ado, let's get started with today's tutorial. Before go back, consider clicking like button, guys. I do appreciate that. If you want more such video future, subscribing, hit the bell icon. Whenever I'm gonna upload new videos, you're gonna get notified about it. If you're looking forward for jewelry ideas or jewelry templates, the earrings templates, entire PDF download that contains best of my top 100 jewelry ideas, which you can very well take a printout of it and can use it as a template as well. The link is in description box below. It's a PDF download which you can very well download it. And without further ado, let's get started with today's tutorial. Take this green clay over here, okay, like this. Take all the green clay which you needed, and then I'm going to be taking this paper clay and mixing this paper clay with this green clay, and we're going to it and mix them appropriately well, create a better mixture so that we can make a beautiful, strong, sturdy earrings from that. So I love beautiful air dry clay jewelry, teddy bear earrings. Hopefully you find this tutorial useful. Let me know what you think. If you find this tutorial useful, let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you have any video requests, I would really love to hear from you. Thank you so much for tuning in today's tutorial. I'll gonna see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye guys.